Hey everyone, my name's Jeff. Welcome back to Jones Works. Today we're going to be making these wall-mounted bottle openers and Bimini Ring boards. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Now let's get to the project.
Laugh when I stutter, babe. You think you do so much better, well, I ain't buying that. You hold me back when I'm walking. You do all my talking, like you're the only one that matters. Well, I won't stand for that, 'cause you say you got the touch. I think you talk too much, 'cause I swear I'll make you blush, but I won't get flattered, 'cause it doesn't even matter. You think you know so much, but I think you're out of touch. I don't wanna make bets with you. Take your money where you honey, find someone new. Always act like you're leaving. I find it hard to believe that you'll be anything without me. You as pretty as the stars, but you try too hard. You always shoot for the moon, but end up right back where you started. You say you got the touch, but I think you talk too much, 'cause I swear I'll make you blush, but I won't get flattered, 'cause it doesn't even matter. You think you know so much, but I think you're out of touch. I don't wanna be next to you, 'cause I can't stand a single thing you do. Back when I'm walking, you do all my talking, like you're the only one that matters. Well, I won't stand for that, 'cause you say you got the touch, but I think you talk too much. 'Cause I swear I'll make you blush, but I won't get flattered, 'cause it doesn't even matter. You think you know so much, I think you're out of touch. I don't wanna be next to you, 'cause I can't stand a single thing you do. Now, you say you got the touch, I think you talk too much. I swear I'll make you blush, but I won't get flattered, 'cause it doesn't even matter. You think you know so much, but I think you're out of touch. I don't wanna make bets with you. Take your money with you, honey, find someone new.
I hope you guys enjoyed this one. These were a lot of fun to make. This is a great project if you have a bunch of scrap wood laying around the shop just to hammer out a bunch of little projects, and these would be great for Christmas presents and things like that, which is right around the corner. If you guys liked the video, please share and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I will see you guys on the next project.